So what actually makes this a game changer? This and this. From the top, marinade first. The lime wakes everybody up. I like the kick. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Minimum. Let the flavors develop. In it all goes. Don't be shy. Smooth enough to squeeze. Let's take it off. Let's go. Oh yes, it's a game changer. Now we build. Add your PICO. Add your avocado sauce. Sprinkle some cheese. Chop your chicken. Drop it in that bag. Game changer. And enjoy. Taste test.
So good.
It's very messy, but very yummy too.
They're delicious.